Years ago, we had a piece of property that was actually hooked to an area that had a slough running through it and had no stormwater facilities on that property. You could see oily sheens of water going over to the slough. The DEQ and the EPA were going to have a meeting, and they were going to talk about the Clean Drinking Water Act, and they were going to talk about stormwater and what everybody needed to do to get on board. For us at that time, that didn't mean a lot, but we knew we needed to clean up this one basin.
Originally, I started in the drinking water industry. While I was involved with that industry, we were always shocked and appalled at how bad we considered surface water runoff. And everyone in my industry was amazed that something wasn't being done. And when we realized that we were actually polluting our waterways, we decided to take action.
We were able to do a lot of testing because we actually had our catch basin that we could test. So we knew at that point how we were achieving what we were doing.
We decided that we wanted to create a simple to understand, easy to manage, repeatable, verifiable means of capturing those pollutants and pulling them out of that environment as early as possible. Our product is designed to work with the existing infrastructure or stormwater facility without having to modify it.
What you'll find with the CleanWay filters is that we have a primary filter and a secondary filter. That's where we set ourselves apart. You can do testing at any given time. We provide a port that actually will hold the sample bottle that you need to turn in for a sampling test. It goes right in, pull it right out.
One thing that we manufacture and we're very proud of, is a very popular product of ours, is what we call our weighted boom product. These booms can be arrayed in such a way that they can treat all types of conveyances that don't have any other means of treatment other than just laying something on the ground. They're very convenient because they do come in 3 foot, 6 foot, 8 foot, and 10 foot boom lengths. They are entirely flexible and conform right to your site requirements.
The difference between us and other companies is the fact that we try to outperform our competition. We take a lot of pride in what we do here. We got guys that know what they're doing, and they turn out something that you'd be proud to put your name on.
One of the biggest issues that everybody had is you knew you could put a filter in the ground, but did you actually know if it was performing? Right off the bat, we knew we were getting 100% of the water capture.
The product has been put together with the thought in mind that these filters have to be not only easy to install, service, maintain, but they have to be understandable and they have to be verifiable, meaning they need to be able to be tested and proven in the field.
So we've tried to think of the aspect for everybody, from the service provider to the customer. One of the things that we know every morning that we get up, that we're helping the environment in every step that we do and how we're achieving it. If there's anything that our customers are struggling with, we want to hear about it, because it's probably not a problem we haven't heard before, and maybe we're working on a solution for you.